You already know that eating carrots is important for your vision. But did you know that certain drinks can also do wonders for your eyes? With our lives becoming more digital, many of us deal with eye strain regularly. Spending hours staring at screens can leave our eyes feeling tired, puffy, and blurry. To keep our vision sharp, regular eye exams are a must, especially once you hit 40. But a fun fact is that some drinks can help keep your eyes sharp and soothe common eye problems. Today, we're going to dive into 7 tasty, nutritious, and refreshing drinks that contain vitamins and minerals crucial for eye health. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on our health tips and videos. Let's jump in. 7. Carrot juice. Rabbits sure know how to pick their snacks. Just 1 cup of carrot juice is like a vitamin A powerhouse, delivering over 250% of your daily value. And where does all that vitamin A come from? Mostly from beta-carotene, a type of provitamin A carotenoid found in carrots. Now, why is vitamin A so important for your eyes? Well, it keeps your eyes healthy and functioning at their best. Studies have shown that munching on fruits and vegetables rich in provitamin A can lower your risk of blindness and age-related eye diseases. But that's not all. Carrot juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 other carotenoids that play a crucial role in eye health. These compounds act like natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful light and keeping them safe from damage. Studies have found that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can lower your risk of eye issues like age-related macular degeneration, AMD. So, how do you get your hands on this juice? Simple. Wash up some carrots, pop them in the juicer, and voila! You've got yourself a glass of liquid gold that your eyes will thank you for. And if juicing isn't your thing, you can always blend them into a refreshing carrot smoothie and sip away with a straw. 6. Beetroot juice. Often added to dishes or blended into juices, beets are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. What makes beets even more impressive is their ability to help combat sight loss conditions like macular degeneration. Packed with essential nutrients, beetroot plays a key role in the fight against blindness, making it a must-have in your diet. Regularly drinking beetroot juice is not just good for your eyes. It also comes with a quirky side effect. It can change the color of your urine and feces. Don't be alarmed if you notice pink or purple hues. This phenomenon, called baturia, is caused by the natural pigments in beets. While it might be surprising, it's completely harmless and only temporary. 5. Lemon water. When you slice open a lemon and infuse its tangy goodness into a jug of water, you're not just creating a refreshing drink, you're concocting a potion of eye-friendly nutrients. Lemon juice isn't just about ascorbic acid. This fruit is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that do wonders for your health. Lemons are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that help fend off macular degeneration and cataracts. It also contains vitamin C. This vitamin is thought to help prevent macular degeneration and other age-related eye issues. Plus, it functions as an antioxidant, giving it a broad range of health benefits. For example, in January 2017, a study found that ascorbic acid can help reduce eye inflammation and even promote healing after chemical injuries. Vitamin C also helps to scavenge free radicals that can damage your eyes, further promoting ocular health. A December 2012 study reported that eye drops containing ascorbic acid can help treat corneal ulcers. Corneal ulcers are open sores that develop on the cornea, which is the clear outer layer covering the front of the eye. These ulcers can be caused by a variety of factors, including bacterial, viral, or fungal infections, as well as physical trauma to the eye. However, here's an important tip. Stick to drinking lemon juice, not applying it to your eyes. As refreshing as lemon juice is for your body, it's way too acidic for your eyes. Imagine the sting if you accidentally got some in your eye. It's not pleasant. The Oman Journal of Ophthalmology even warns that acidic substances can increase intraocular pressure and damage the collagen fibers and ciliary bodies in your eyes. So, enjoy your lemon water and let your body soak up all those eye-friendly nutrients. 4. Spinach juice. What makes spinach juice so special? Spinach juice contains the famous lutein and zeaxanthin antioxidants. Studies have shown that increasing your intake of these antioxidants through spinach juice can also lower your risk of cataracts. But that's just the beginning. Spinach is also packed with another antioxidant that's not as well known, but equally as important: alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is known for its ability to lower glucose levels, making it effective for managing diabetes. You see, diabetes can wreak havoc on your eyes, leading to conditions like diabetic retinopathy and macular edema. However, alpha-lipoic acid helps to protect the eyes from damage caused by high blood sugar levels. Spinach juice also contains vitamin A, another essential nutrient for eye health. Without enough of this vitamin, you could be left squinting in the dark with dry eyes and even at night blindness. Now, let's talk numbers. Juicing about 4 cups of raw spinach will give you roughly 1 cup of juice, which delivers 63% of your daily vitamin A needs. That's a serious eye boost in just 1 glass. Whether you're sipping on a glass of fresh juice or blending up a nutrient-packed smoothie, you're giving your eyes the support they need to stay healthy and vibrant. So, the next time you're whipping up a batch of spinach juice, know that you're not just hydrating. You're giving your eyes the nourishment they need to stay sharp and focus for years to come. 3. Orange juice. If you're looking for a drink that you can easily grab at the grocery store, orange juice might be just the thing. Not only is it delicious and convenient, but it's also packed with nutrients that are great for your eyes. Oranges are a major source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health. A long-term study that spanned 15 years and involved 2,856 adults over the age of 49 found some eye-opening results. The researchers focused on the impact of flavonoids, compounds found in oranges, on vision health. They discovered that participants who ate oranges regularly had a significantly reduced risk of developing late-stage age-related macular degeneration, AMD. To put it simply, those who enjoyed at least 1 serving of oranges or orange juice daily had a lower risk of developing macular degeneration compared to those who never consumed them. This means that incorporating orange juice into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support your eye health. Next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up a carton of orange juice. 2. Green tea. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine isn't just a relaxing habit. It's a fantastic way to boost your eye health. Green tea contains antioxidants and beneficial compounds that can help fend off sight-threatening conditions like retinitis pigmentosa and macular degeneration, making it a valuable ally in the fight against blindness. But that's not all. Green tea also contains small amounts of zeaxanthin and lutein, 2 other important antioxidants for eye health. Green tea extract has been shown to improve occasional dry eye by supporting the tissues on the ocular surface and inhibiting the activity of MMP9, a protein known to contribute to dry eye symptoms. So, if you find yourself struggling with dry, irritated eyes, a daily cup of green tea could be just what the doctor ordered. 1. Milk. Did you know adding milk to your daily diet can improve eye health? Not only is it a dairy delight packed with vitamin A, but it also contains zinc, which is crucial for maintaining good eyesight. Here's why. Zinc helps vitamin A create melanin, a pigment that protects your cornea. It also plays a key role in transporting vitamin A from your liver to your eyes. Without enough zinc, you might struggle with night vision, a clear sign your eyes need some attention. Milk is particularly special because it's a great source of riboflavin, which can help reduce your risk of developing cataracts. For a healthier choice, opt for low-fat milk to keep saturated fat levels low and prevent plaque buildup in the blood vessels of your eyes. But don't stop at milk. Cheese, eggs, and liver are other excellent animal sources of vitamin A. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine is like giving your eyes a little love potion. Just a friendly reminder to enjoy those delicious juices as drinks. No eye baths here, please. Sip away and let those nutrients work their magic on your insides. Now, let's talk about the importance of early eye health checkups. Think of it like giving your eyes a regular tune-up. Catching any issues early can prevent them from turning into bigger problems down the road. So, if you notice any changes in your vision, don't be shy. Schedule that eye exam immediately. And if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not show us some love? Hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening updates.